कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक अंधविश्वासों की एक लंबी लिस्ट है जिन्हें मन बेमन हम भी मानते हैं। ये सच है कि अंधविश्वास से भरी इतनी बातें हम बचपन से सुन रहे हैं कि अब तो इनमें से हमें कई सच भी लगने लगी हैं। हम सभी बचपन से किसी न किसी अंधविश्वास के साथ ही बड़े हुए हैं। इंडिया ऐसी कंट्री है गाइस जहाँ ट्रैफिक लाइट से ज़्यादा लोग बिल्ली को देखकर रुक जाते हैं। We have received more superstitions from our ancestors than anything else. In fact, every generation that passes those superstitions from one to another adds more to it. It started with the breaking mirrors, but I see no definite end to superstitions in India. No doubt, we are a country of diverse cultures and everlasting beliefs. After all, our faiths are sprung in the form of lemon and green chilies just to protect from evil spirits. And our actions from not sweeping after the sunset because that would cause lack of wealth. Likewise, here are a list of few superstitions which will remember you of your ancestors. Talking about the very first superstition, guys, the sign of bad luck when any black cat crosses your path. As human beings, you have the right to walk around. I feel same way the cats are free too. उनके आगे से जाने से कुछ बैड लक नहीं होता यार। हम लोग ये मानते हैं कि बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया तो काम खराब। एंड सम हाउ ऑन द वेरी सेम डे अगर कोई मिस हैपनिंग हो जाती है तो वी गाइज आर इंडियंस, हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं कि बिल्ली ने रास्ता काटा तो काम खराब। द सेकेंड सुपरस्टिशन इज़ अबाउट हैंगिंग लेमन इन 7 चिलीज विच कीप्स अवे मिसफॉर्चून। अरे यार नींबू पानी बना लो, कहाँ गेट पे हैंग कर रहे हो। द नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टिशन इज मिरर ब्रेकिंग लॉ। दिस लॉ स्टेट्स दैट इफ अ मिरर ब्रेक्स इट ब्रिंग्स बैड ओमेन। लाइक ओके, एज आर एंसेस्टर्स से आपका हुक्म सर आँखों पर यार, आपके सुपरस्टिशंस हम माने ना, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। द नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टिशन इज throwing coins in sacred rivers to get wishes granted. As the rivers were the only source of water in the ancient time, having clean water was essential for survival. Most currencies used then was made of copper, which is an element required by human body to maintain health. Although present day currencies have no longer copper in them, but the age-old custom of throwing coins in the river still continues till today. शायद एंशियंट टाइम का लॉजिक ये था कि throwing coppers will help you get the water good, pure enough. But now we don't know the logic. हमें करना है क्योंकि हमारे ancestors करते थे. The next superstition is theory of adding 1 rupee to a sum of gifting someone. 1 rupee is a good luck. 1 रुपये का शगुन ऑब्वियसली हम इंडियंस हैं, हम तो फॉलो करेंगे ही, और कोई करे ना करे. Next is people trees are the abode of ghosts and spirits. Guys, there is no truth in this belief. It is just people's psychology and the taboo created by religious fanatics. Next superstition is all about the unlucky numbers. Number 8, number 13 and many more are the unlucky numbers. Like who we are to discriminate in between the numbers कि ये number अच्छा है, ये number good luck है and this number is a bad luck for us. Next is, it is good when crow shits on you while you are going out for some walk. Like how many of like this superstition? यार आप बाहर जा रहे हो, कोई कपड़े ख़राब कर दे, आपको अच्छा लगेगा? और ऊपर से आपका काम भी ना बने, then what? So guys, this is all our perception. Get out of this. Start doing your hard work. I guess each and every girl can relate to me in this superstition. That don't wash your hairs on Tuesdays and Saturdays as it can cause harm to your brother. Like हमारे हेयर वॉश करने से हमारे भाई को क्या हार्म होगा, पहले तो ये बताओ हमें आप लोग. Talking about the next superstition, continuous hiccups give a sign that someone is remembering you, since hiccups have forever been associated with remembrance. But science says hiccups happen when the food has not been digested. So next time when you hiccup, pop some sugar in your mouth and move on. Stop believing that someone is missing you. आप इतने important नहीं हो यार कि आपको हर कोई मिस करेगा. The next is, if you keep your footwear upside down, it might bring a fight in your family. But what even if after turning the shoe in the normal position, the still fight continues? If flipped shoes make us fight, then shouldn't unflipped shoes bring peace between us? Next superstition is that don't sweep your floors after sunset. Otherwise, Goddess Lakshmi won't come in. There is the common superstition where people are not allowed to sweep in the house after sunset. Reason is, back then when there was no electricity or light in the dark, there were chances of various precious ornaments to have fallen, and sweeping in the dark made it worse, as they lost their precious stones. Therefore, our ancestors preferred to clean their house during the daytime, so they could avoid sweeping away something important. The next superstition is, if you call out someone's name when they are leaving the house, they'll have the bad luck, guys. अगर आपको कोई अर्जेंट काम आ गया, आपने किसी को बुलाया है, तो क्या मीन्स उसका बैड लक आ गया, उसका काम नहीं बनेगा? The last superstition is, if your left palm itches, you're going to run into some money soon. Like अगर ऐसा सच में होता है तो प्लीज़ मेरे साथ ये सुपरस्टिशन हमेशा होना चाहिए. किसके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि लेफ्ट पाम एच होने पे यू गाइज गेट द मनी, यू गाइज प्ले इन मनी? प्लीज़ गाइज, अगर ऐसा है तो पुट योर रिव्यूज़, opinions in comment section, please. The educated folks who know that nothing is going to happen still believe in them. Like, are you guys educated or what? And you guys follow them religiously, guys. I am today trying to explain you the reasons behind the both of these superstitions and the fact that their existence in our society was for good. Long back, when the ancestors were living on this earth, logic was beyond human comprehension, and so these superstitions were born. As science developed, the reasons came up. Otherwise, how can coins make your wish to be true? How are ghosts residing in only on people tree? How can numbers decide the luck, guys? A belief which leaves no place for doubt is not a belief. It's a superstition. Stop being superstitious. Start believing in yourself. I hope now you'll find a logic before the superstition, guys. Thanks for watching the video.